Hello, hello. I think it's up. Hello. I think it's up. Okay, so it's up. Um, तो अभी मैं what I can do? कौन है रात को thumbs up भी भेज दिया? इतनी रात के कौन एक्टिव बैठा हुआ है? दो thumbs up आ गए. Anyways, thank you whoever you are. So what I will do is first send the data. Wait a second. So I've sent the link to Team Crypto Whale first. I think first thing I will do. Because I think market will move like this, so I've given this. Okay. ये सब कौन आ गए हैं? सोते नहीं क्या? हरीश, वलीद भाई, एनीमे एडिट्स, मेक अ प्लान्ट. Oh, कोई नहीं सोया क्या? यश भाई भी नहीं सोए. Anyways, so I will give the BTC update because I think this will happen now. I will just start. Wait a second, बस ये लिख दूं. Okay. So BTC update is like this. That in 2 days there will be FOMC. Okay. And I will open the map now. Sorry, I mean graph, chart, whatever you call. So what I'm expecting is derivatives USD. Okay. So now we will take a look into this. So I will remove Bollinger Bands because they are causing problem. Okay. So I have removed all the indicators. So now this is there. So I have opened a 1-day chart. Okay, if you can see. So in the 1-day chart, as you can see, so this is the what people call the support level. Okay. So so what is interesting about this support level is that they brought a very good. So what happened was that a few days ago, people heard na Arkham alert came. So I want to tell about the market makers way is that I don't know if all are equal market participants. I mean the institutional investors. They all are brothers, like they're like they work together basically. So what they did is that this was the excuse they gave for this dip. You saw this dip, these three red candles. Okay. So first was completely unknown. Nobody knew why it crashed. And then after that, they announced that Arkham Alert has said. So Arkham Alert has said that US government is selling its Bitcoin. Okay. So basically this is their strategy to justify. I told you, they always justify. Every time they justify whenever the fall comes because it is due to CFTC. So what they did is that market makers, they said Arkham alert came that US government is starting to sell Mt. Gox Bitcoin. Okay, so on that news, jump trading completely liquidated some of its book. What liquidation means? That they sold their asset. So basically, liquidation comes from that word when someone sells his house. Okay, so cash is called the king. So liquidation comes from that somebody sells his house. Okay, if I say my house is worth 50 crore, okay, suppose I'm just saying an example, and if anybody wants to buy my house, so I will be saying I have 50 crore. Wrong, because I have a hard solid asset. It's not cash. Okay, so when I sell my house for cash, so then we will tell is I will say, oh, I got 50 crore rupees cash. Now this is liquid. Now I can use it anywhere. I can't use my house to buy sabji roti, basically vegetables, groceries. You can't do that. Okay. So that is why liquidation came. Liquidation is basically that only. Liquidation is when if a perpetual position converts into a liquid position, that means it gets liquidated or buys or sell. So that is called a liquidation. So basically, what happened was that a lot of liquidation happened here. Okay. After that, the market maker, I told a lot of people, see this range. So what happens is that there is a market bid by a market maker here around this range. So market maker bid does not fill in single round; it fills in multiple rounds. Okay. So suppose he has a bid of suppose 1 billion Bitcoin here, 1 billion Bitcoin here. As soon as market will go to that point, so out of 1 billion, market maker will be able to buy say $200 million of Bitcoin. Then he knows he needs again to fill this. So again the market will rise up and then again it will fall. So you see on the second and third day. So a lot of market maker bid have been filled here. Okay. And also the market was getting pretty much overheated. So this is a indication that's why fall came. The funding rates were very high for all the coins, so more longs by retail was there. Okay, so it came down, and now for 5 days it consolidated. So what does consolidation mean? So what consolidation means is that market maker was basically piling up his bids. So what I expect in next 2 days is that the Fed meeting is coming. Okay, I think on second. So second, the Fed meet is there. I think second or third. I don't remember exactly. So today is the monthly closing. So so what market maker will try to do, according to me, he needs either he has already completed this block, means he has bought all the bitcoins he wants to buy. Okay, but I today saw a sell wall here somewhere here. Okay, okay. And some common misconception about funding rate is there. There is a difference in funding. I couldn't make the video. Funding rate for market and funding rate for limit. So funding rate is for the I think the limit orders. Okay, funding rate is not for the market orders. I think, or vice versa, something like that. So funding rates are not a reliable predictor. Okay, all of a sudden a bid will come and all the funding rates will be done zero. Okay, I explained in the last video also. So that thing is there. So basically, market maker will come down. Either will come down. Okay, if he has wants to. So for the next 2 days, he can make a lot of doom and gloom. So this would be a good doom and gloom. Okay. So what they will try to show is that the market is bad. Okay, there is almost a PTSD, post traumatic stress disorder. Okay, so the people will be like, oh, market will go down, market will crash up to this level, market will go further down, 10K level. Bears get super bearish. So when the market comes in such way, so what they want to target, what they will be targeting is around 32,000. If you remember, who has been part of Team Crypto Whale for a long time knows that a market key level was 32,000. Okay, so that 32,000 I think should get filled. Okay, when I think the FOMC will come out to be 25 BPS every day, almost same is going on. Okay, so every week. every sorry FOMC, these people are doing this thing only. So what they are doing is that they are basically um, so what they are doing is that they are basically giving you exact rate that market already prices in. Okay, so they always, if you expect 50 bps, they will give you 50 bps. So for the last 3 4 times they are doing like this. Okay, so June is a very crucial one. So I think May, what they will do is that they will for next 2 days, if the rate will come out to be 25 bps and market will want to jump up. So what they will do is that for today and tomorrow, they will try to make it very bearish here. Okay, they will try to make it bearish and then it will go up. Okay, or one probability is like this. So you see this also, one order got filled. So they are trying to fill their orders. Okay, and below there are many orders, 29,000 below. So it get filled and suddenly it rises up. And again they have built a sell pressure here. You can see. So that's how they are playing for now. And I think for next 2 days, I think they will target 27K again. Okay, okay, they will target 27K again. And when the FOMC will come, everybody will be negative and all. Okay, and then they will pump it to 32,000. I think 32,000 is the key level. 32,000. I think 300 is there. I will have to open weekly. Wait. So this one is there. Yeah. So it's 32,427. So I don't think they will pump it to 32,427. They will pump it up to 32,300 max. Okay. And then they will decide if they want to go up or want to go down. Okay. So from that they can do go. After that, if so now the next upside is up to this point. This is a lot. 37K is a lot. So I think if they want to keep whole May bullish, okay, so they will keep on pumping it up to 37K in entire May month. Okay, and after that June crash might come. As it drop down and done, and then back to doom and gloom. Okay, so that's how I think they will play it out. So on the next 2 days, I've explained what they will do. Also, don't start BNB. Okay, after this edu thing, now they are giving SUI launchpad using BNB. So don't start BNB. And now I will give you some calls. Okay, Walid, Ayush, hi. Okay, Samir bhai. Hello. Okay, so I will give you calls, live calls. Oh, wait a second. The voice is low. Somebody should have given me feedback, man. Thank you. Okay, now it's better, I think. है Because I am talking at night in my country, so I am keeping my voice down so that I don't wake up my family. Okay. Okay, so I will give you a call. Wait a second. Oh, very weird market, man. Give me 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I request you to take the call in pair only. Don't take one-sided call. Okay. So take it in pair. Uh, because market manipulation will go on up till this thing uh, FOMC. Okay, so I think you should take it in a pair. So I would suggest BNB right now is at 335. Okay, BNB right now is at 335. I think you can go 337. यार बोलते ही जंप कर गया परपेचुअल में जंप कर गया क्या स्पॉट में तो कर गया वो 335 से 336.9 सॉरी ये निकलने लग गया एक सेकंड तो फिर कौन सा देखता हूँ तो already jumped man wait a second Comp I am seeing for a good long. So what you can do for comp is, yeah, I think you can long comp. So how we will long comp is like this. 41.69 CMP current market price, 38.5. So 41.69, 20% of your whatever uh, quantity you want to invest, money you want to invest. 38.5 another, and last is 35 point, I think 8. Take 35.8. So put like this: 20, 40, 40. So this is how you should put the buying order in this. I don't think it will break any further. Stop loss is hard stop loss. So if you want to buy in a spot, I would suggest buy in a spot. Okay. And stop loss is 29 below. Any close below 29 and you will get. And upside is quite good. I think upside can be easily up to 45 minimum. It's a very low risk call, I am saying. Okay. 51, 45, 51. Okay. So that should be your TP. I'm saying you for the worst case. Okay. If you want, you know the formula. Okay. I've already explained you many times. So this is one COMP long call done. Okay. BNB jumped. Now what? 2 hour. Hmm. ETC, ETC. Wait dot atom ganga. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. I like to short those coins that are at good top. They are at the top values and 40, 50, 100% pumped. So I like to short them. So I'm just looking for some coin that we can short. I think my best bet is XRP or Atom. Atom, XRP or ETC. I think you can go for ETC. 19.5 is there. Wait a second. ETC short, 90.49. Okay. Same thing. So 19.496 you can short and 20% of your value. Okay. Rest 20 at 20.25. Then at 22 and last at 23. Stop loss is any close above 25. And I think you can target uh, 16.3. That would be good. So that is the short target for it. Ape short. Actually, what I don't want to do is short ape because I really scared of ape team. Okay, very dangerous team. Right now I'm checking. If you want, I can check. Okay, ape. Ape team is quite dangerous, man. That's why I don't. Oh, oh, good find. Ape is a very good shot. Okay, ape can be shorted. देखा ही नहीं मैंने. Ape can be shorted. Okay. This edu thing has a lot of hype. You can short ape. Good coin to short right now. 13.9 is there. Something strange is happening here. I think it might crash like. Crazy. ETC same. I think ETC can also fall a lot. So that's it. I think everything is covered. Yes, Ayush has sorted it from four. Okay. किसी का पुराना शॉट चल रहा हो तो चलने देना। एक बहुत पहले दिया था ना मैंने एक का शॉट, वो मेरा चल रहा है। मैंने उसमें ऐड ऑन कर लेता हूँ मैं जब भी वो आती है ना, जंप। सो आई ऐड ऑन इट। ओके, so I think it's okay. Any questions or else shall I close? I think it's okay. Everybody heard CPI update or FOMC. So I think closing. So they are doing the same thing in closing. They are making it look very bearish. So that is their strategy. Okay, that's it. Thank you. No questions. ये अच्छा होता है, इस टाइम पे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछता। ओएमजी में आई वांट टू लॉन्ग ओएमजी अ लॉट। बस एक इशू है, ओएमजी की एक बुरी न्यूज मार्केट में चल रही है। अगर वो सच हो गई, ठीक है, बहुत जैसे एचएनटी गायब हो गया था ना मार्केट से, एचएनटी वेंट एचएनटी वेंट अवे ना, ओएमजी आल्सो हैज सिमिलर न्यूज, सो आई एम स्केयर्ड ऑफ यू नो दिस थिंग। So he is good. So he is a good one. Um, I mean, you should all definitely get airdrop of Sui. ID if you have missed. These are launchpad ones. अरे न्यू बिजनेस का क्या करोगे, जब चल जाएगा तो तुम्हें नाम देख लेना मेरा। होपफुली। शॉर्टेड बीटीसी कौन कर रहा है? बीटीसी शॉर्ट मत करो अभी। अभी परसों पता चल जाएगा, आप अभी कर लो, ठीक है, या अभी से लेके परसों तक कुछ ना कुछ तो फॉल आ जाएगा। ये एनीमे एडिट्स को मिल गया है सुई का लोकेशन। कांग्रेचुलेशंस। दो वे में जाएगा, ठीक है, लॉन्ग टर्म होल्ड करके रखना, दोनों वे जा सकता है, पहले नीचे जाके ऊपर जाएगा या ऊपर जाके नीचे जाएगा, ठीक है। तो पहले अगर ऊपर चला गया तो ऊपर सेल कर देना, ठीक है। सो सेल इट व्हेन इट गोज अप। मैंने दूर रख दिया अपना लैपटॉप बात करते करते। सो फॉर सुई exactly, if like ID or ARB, so what these did is that they jumped up and now they will die slow death. Okay, so if Sui does that, then I think you should give sell the Sui. Okay, at least after I think 2x 3x, take out the capital. Okay, if it goes up, otherwise if it goes down 80-90%, it can go down, then hold, don't worry. Okay, then hold for I think few weeks or months. Okay, when everybody will be hopeless, it will be pumped like anything. Okay, so two-way only. Okay, so thank you everyone. और कोई क्वेश्चन तो है नहीं? नो क्वेश्चंस? नींद में है अपन तो सो जाओ। चलो, थैंक यू, बाय।